Although visual elements play the largest role in establishing the game's feel, it is sound that brings the game to life. The team hopes to offer the gamer a true experience in every situation. The audio adds a layer of realism that transports the gamer to the gridiron.
So this year we had a pretty ambitious list of things we wanted to accomplish, and so early in the pre-production cycle I got with Dale and Jesse and talked about how we wanted to improve audio in the games.
This year what we wanted to try to do was let's go up the ante on the realism and go out to all these different size schools and record them.
I had the chance to go on the sidelines for the Auburn-LSU game this year. I was on the field recording, and just hearing that in the game now is absolutely amazing.
Drum cadences in the game that were all recorded by UCF's, that's the University of Central Florida's live marching band. They performed it live at a studio in Orlando. That was one of the really cool things we did. We're super excited about those. It really makes a drastic difference in the game. It's just because it's a live band, it sounds so much better than what we've had.